so happy to be here. Like Beyonce, drink, Beyonce. I'm happy to be in Paris. No, I'm happy to be in Cape Town, South Africa.
Are you happy to be in Paris? Are you happy to be in Paris?
Beyonce.
You should just know, babe. You should just know. I've been thinking about it, praying for the week and make it run away. Looking for reasons for me to skip the day. Sorry if the words I say they cut you deep. I ain't trying to do something that I don't mean. I say I'm done, I'm leaving, and you say don't run.
Risky. And the pothole nyane checha bona je na tsa king. Good morning, guys. We are headed to Cape Town for work. Woke up so early in the morning. I'm literally so tired, but I'm so excited to take you along with me. So this is gonna be a start to a new vlog, which is going to be the Cape Town vlog. I'm going to edit that one and it's going to go live. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. I would really appreciate it, guys. Like, oh my gosh, I am gonna be so consistent this year, and I'm really looking forward to taking you along with me in terms of like my adventures and stuffies. I don't wanna lie, it's way too early for me to vlog, so let's meet again at the airport, okay? Bye, twin. Not again. South Africa can move.
Not even the fuck.
Check out Muka.
I be going hard. I'm breaking their hearts.
Help.
Bitches be quick, but I'm quicker. Bitches be thick, but I'm thicker.
We are currently at Tambo International Airport, waiting for our airplane that will be going to Cape Town. I will be in Cape Town for the whole entire week for work. I'm so excited to take you along with me. I'm currently waiting for my colleague, and while I'm waiting, I will be responding to a couple of emails and get some work done. So yeah, that's basically it. And then I'm still so tired. I don't want to lie, like I'm so tired. But because I have fasted throughout the whole entire morning, I'm not even gonna take like any sort of caffeine, preferably water, but not caffeine.
She's all over.
Yo, you know what happened to my lip? It's busted. I was trying to zip. Caught my lips. Now I look crazy. I look like I have blisters and stuff. Look funny.
Did you do?
I don't know what the hell I was thinking. But when you think about it, hold on. When you do this, hold on. Like when you do this. And I was trying to put my like.
Oh, you were trying to do this.
Damn wet.
Move out of my short. I can't even make out how OC looks.
I love it white kung fu, but I go fight for you. I got my hands on you.
Got me.
Blue, right?
You got my hands on you. I love it die for you. But I live my life for you. I got my hands on you.
So happy to be here.
You got fight for
Like Beyonce. Beyonce. I'm happy to be in Paris. No. I'm happy to be in Cape Town, South Africa. Thank you so much. You're such a darling. Woo.
That was indeed very quick. Very quick, my brother. Thank you so much. Shout outs to you.
Oh, because Cape Town is hot. I come from it's been raining cats and dogs. Literally been raining.
Give me slow wine in a fast car. I get money like bastard.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
finish my life.
That should be the details. Thank you.
You want to make me do shit, no.
Hello. Great, thanks. How are you? I understand completely. You can't complain at all, actually.
You know, I'm writing a song for you. And you know, I do another one for you. Yeah, color shit. We could go on a vacation. Have fun, maybe all night long. Yeah, color shit. We could go on a vacation.
What is restricted?
To be Cape Town. just like that, twin, we are in Cape Town, South Africa. I'm so ecstatic. I'm so excited to be here. And it's sunny, it's warm, it's a vibe, it's giving vacation. But we're not on vacation, we are at work, okay? But that is the room tour. I have a cutesy spot. I get to wake up to this. I've actually slept in a similar room before with this similar view, and I'm so obsessed with it. But with that said, we're about to step out to get something to eat. We saw an Asian restaurant, and my colleague and I were like, that would do, because she's very hungry. I'm just hungry. But yeah, so let's go to it, and I hope that you are enjoying this vlog thus far. If you're not subscribed, please do that. It's gonna plug on your phone. Click down below and make your girl known. Please, twin, make me famous. Subscribe to the channel. No, but like, for real, I would really appreciate it. This year, I'm literally putting my hard work, sweat to give you all this content. And I hope that you are eating it up. And comment down below if you're enjoying this vlog thus far. Let's step out to Winnie.
I am in my Figo. What are we getting? Oh, Brio! Take them.
I don't know if you guys can see me. It's a little bit dark. It's a little bit dark, you know. But we've basically arrived because it's this corner, and I cannot wait to try out the food. I think we are at a perfect lane. Like almost every second step, there's like a restaurant. And I've checked social media. Some of these places look a little bit familiar. You know?
On vacation,
you know? Yeah, like that would be the perfect accommodation if you're planning on coming. Where?
Or something. Is it this side?
No, it's this side.
This side.
This is the Asian what we saw. But the sun, yo.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. We've been
It's too
there in
much.
rain and cold.
You see? This is the place we passed by. Simply Asian Thai food bar. It's giving alcoholics and stuff. I'm not a tourist, but you need to recommend me something that, like, what's the spicy level? Like, what are your
Mild is the lowest spice, so maybe medium.
medium?
Medium spice.
Am I going to, Mikas is going to, okay, medium is fine, my baby. What am I going to be eating it with, like,
Chopstick, yes.
Okay.
And there's also fork and spoon.
Bring
For your
both,
soup,
but I'm a perfect, yes.
alright. So the
Thank you.
drinks you can choose.
Yeah, what's your favorite drink? Yeah, I know, Brie, this is crazy, but I love asking, what do you like? I love, because it's usually like, what's the customer's favorite?
So
What's the customer's favorite?
So
I love
here
sweets.
What do
No,
you
here
like?
we
Like
discovered.
in wines or
I don't drink alcohol.
so you
doesn't drink
No,
So we
so-
do have this juices here.
Ooh, okay.
So it can there's
can
also
try
mango kiwi.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love
So-
pineapple. Pineapple and
Yeah, pineapple
Passion
is also very
fruit.
nice. Yeah.
let's try that. Is that a Asian?
Yeah, it's
Let's
from
try
Thailand,
it.
straight from
Perfect.
Thailand.
Let's try that as well.
Alright.
Thank you, my darling. Mama. Thank you. Love it, doll.
That looks good.
Freeze.
Bon appetit. Bon potatoes.
Bon appetit.
Bon potatoes.
I don't.
First taste test. Let's try this out. I'm gonna start with the meat. Okay. Okay. Here's the big one. Bon. I'm so clumsy. I'm out eating. Oh, it's only you on the call. Guys, that was too good. Knocked it out. Like literally knocked it out. No, you know. Maybe that was too good. Wow.
And I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate.
Hey twin, is it 2 in Cape Town? It is so hot, but this is actually our lunch time. It's 2:26 in the afternoon, and we came to Eastern Food Bazaar. For those that don't know, this is where you want to be at if you want to have like different types of like food cuisines. And yeah, let's have some lunch.
This looks so good. Like,
we have so many options here, but I already know what I want. I want some shawarma. Shawarmies. I wonder if we're gonna have to actually also buy the ice cream here. I think let's find out. That looks like mango juice or mango crush. I don't know, but yeah, we'll see what we're ordering. Hi, how are you? Good, thanks. Where they're selling shawarmas, can we please have the shawarma that has the chips and salad? I think it's like chicken, please. I think it's 95 rand. For the ice cream, do we also have to order here for the ice cream? We don't know how much the ice cream is. We'll do that one later. What is that? We're eating here, Mama. We're eating here. Huh? Is it nice? Okay, no, let me just get okay, let me just get water. I'll see how I'm feeling. Water, please. Cold water. Okay. Card. Yeah. Cape Town is giving. I'm a tourist in my own country, baby. And I love it, you know? Let's go.
I like a little bit of change on mine. It's like an
and
It's a
shit.
matcha station here, actually.
Is it?
Hi vlog! Welcome to Kgopotjo's YouTube channel! Hi, me!
Yes!
So yeah, we're gonna get some matcha. Marno Kgopotjo, let me do it properly. You can't
No,
just do it.
I'm using this one.
We knew it. We came up with the you.
You didn't know the location.
Oh, we knew. We gave you the location.
Cater person, hey? It didn't have to go down like this, baby. The airports are gonna be open. Let's go to Qatar, baby. You only live once. This one is scared of missiles. Smallanyana bombs. Hey, Smallanyana bombs. Smallanyana bombs. You're scared of bombs. Jai run. Small bombs. Why are you hiding your face?
Steady hands.
Who are you calling? I'm like, I don't know. Vacation in Cape Town.
We just witnessed vacation in Morocco, please. We just witnessed the most gorgeous sunset in Cape Town, South Africa. If you're not here, where you at, baby? At work? Kind regarding? Wow, what a sad life.
Look at the sunset.
Then it's gonna start being cold, ne? Really? Oh yeah, plus the...
No, it's hot today. It's been hot, so it's not gonna be cold. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, my friend's YouTube channel. I'm so tired. They hijacked me, but I got to swim out of it, and I'm so glad.
I think what you heard is me
We literally did hijack her.
He literally did.
is if the parties conclude a settlement agreement or how the assets will be dissolved. The court
When I walk, looking like you, just tryna fuck. Yeah, this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this dick. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. All these trips got you at me. Yeah, girl, I know that you ready. Girl, I'm not gonna let you down. I ain't gon' keep you waiting. If you go, it's gon' get knocked up. You playing hide and seek, I'ma find you. Baby, hold on tight when you ride me. You know I like to eat, give me options. If you throw it, it's gon' get knocked up. I wanna get all that ass for my Figo. Baby, we gon' keep it. You know that love on me. You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just tryna fuck, yeah. This trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl.
Good morning to win. We are all dolled up because we have a reservation at 12. We're going to this really stunning restaurant in Cape Town. I think it's called Figo. And let me show you guys my outfit for the day actually. So this is my fit. You guys know this dress, but I styled it differently this time around to give me like this one shoulder look, which is absolutely stunning. So this is the fit and this is how we're looking. with my beats, and yeah. So the reservation is at 12. I don't know what time it is right now, but I wanted to get there early so that I can get the best view of the ocean. That's the reason why we are going to this restaurant. I've allegedly heard that the food is not that good, and one thing about me, if you know me, twin, you know, good tea, I do not compromise with the quality of the food, yabo. But I love the views. The views are absolutely immaculate. But is the food going to be given that? I'll be the judge of that, because some people like food that you don't like, and some people hate food that you like. So we're gonna step, because we are ready and we're gonna head out. But let me actually check what time it is now. I wanted to get there early. Good see, I must not struggle with parking, because parking in Cape Town is something else. Yeah, I'm gonna leave soon, maybe in the next 20 minutes, because it's 20 to 11. And then yeah, just get ready for the day. Enjoy the day with me, twin. So we have arrived. This place is so stunning. Like, I feel like social media never does justice on how beautiful these places are. The views are absolutely gorgeous. Like, you oversee the ocean. There's a kids pool. I'm not bothered by the noise, to be honest, because it's kids. But it's stunning. It's so gorgeous, you guys. I love it!
But I just wanna be the one to do you right. We're standing here looking at each other, baby, eye to eye.
This looks so good.
And I'm hoping that you're thinking about leaving with me tonight. We said we came for love in the club, 'cause I wanna tell them they wrong. Come on, just baby, try a new thing, and let's spark a new flame. You gon' be my baby, love me crazy. Tell me if you ready, baby, come and get me. Try a new thing, and let's spark a new flame. I can't believe you came here all alone, baby girl. Where's your lover? Oh, it don't really matter, 'cause I got this to get to know you better. Baby, let's make what we got here last forever. Girl, 'cause I don't wanna let you go. Never.
Good morning, twin. It's the last day in Cape Town, and as you can see at the back, I already have my bag packed up, ready to go. To Polokwane, Limpopo. So once I land in Joburg, I'm gonna Uber straight to my place, unpack, pack, drive down to Polokwane, because I have a very important event tomorrow. But I hope that the little that I've shown you of Cape Town, you enjoyed it, you loved it. The vlog continues, the adventure continues. So put the plug on your phone, click down below and make your girl known, aka the traveling lawyer. Please do show me some love and support by subscribing if you have not, like, comment as well.